So good!
Luna eats her first slice happily.
This is my favorite pizza. Pizza! Pizza! I can't wait!
Slow down, Kai. Stay close to us.
Wow! So many pizzas! So many pizzas!
Here is our table. Let's sit down first. Welcome! Take any pizza you like. Enjoy!
Thank you very much.
Kids, listen, take only what you can finish, okay?
Okay, Dad! Yes, yes, let's go! This one looks yummy. It smells so good, too.
Kai puts one slice on his plate.
I want this one, too. Look, the cheese is so stretchy.
Luna takes 2 slices now.
And this one, it has extra cheese. My plate is getting full. But I want more. My plate is getting heavy. I think I have enough now.
But Luna does not stop yet.
That's a lot of pizza. I hope they remember what Dad said. Let's see what happens.
One more. I love Pizza Mountain. Look how tall it is now.
Kai is very excited about his pizza.
Look, Dad, mountain. Look at mine too. Whose mountain is bigger?
Whoa, that is a lot of pizza, Kai. Both of you took so much food. Can you really eat all of that?
So good.
Luna eats her first slice happily.
This is my favorite pizza. I'm getting full. I don't think I can eat more.
There is still a lot of pizza left.
Me too. My tummy is full. I cannot eat any more pizza. Maybe I took too much. Kids, you still have so much food on your plates. This is a lot of pizza to leave behind. What should we do now?
You 2 took too much food. Remember what the sign said? Now we have a problem.
If food is left on the plate, there is an extra charge. This helps us stop food waste.
You.
The family looks worried now.
Extra charge? Oh no, I did not know that. I am sorry, everyone.
It's okay, but now we understand why the sign is there. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Let's think of a plan together.
This food took time to cook. Someone worked hard to make it. A chef made this pizza just for us. We should not waste their hard work.
What can we do now? Can we still fix this problem? I don't want to waste food. I didn't think about that.
We can still fix this. Let's finish it together. If we all help, it will be easy. Are you ready, team?
Everyone, take a slice. Let's share and finish it. One team, one plate.
I will take this one.
I can do this. I will eat this slice fast. Watch me go. Dad, let's race. Who finishes first?
You're on. Ready? Go!
We are almost finished, everyone.
Teamwork makes it easy. We did it together! The plates are clean now. Great job, everyone.
Well done, team.
No food is wasted.
I am proud of all of you.
The table is clean and empty now. Wonderful! No food wasted today. I am very happy to see this. Thank you for finishing your food.
Thank you for the reminder. We learned something today. We will remember this next time.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
Next time, I will take less food first. Me too. A little bit at a time. Then we can go back for more.
It's okay to try new food, but take a little first. You can always ask for more later. This way, nothing is wasted.
If we still want more, we can go back again. That makes a lot of sense, Mom. I will remember this next time.
Exactly right, Luna. Small plates, big lessons. I am proud of you both today. You learned something important. It was a good day, even with the mistake.
Let's remember this next time we eat out. The family gets ready to leave.
Bye!
Thank you for the pizza. We had a really fun time here. See you again soon.
Come back soon! Take only what you need. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye, everyone!
The family walks out together.
I learned something new today. Take only what you need. That is a good lesson to remember. Me too. Food is precious. I am happy we fixed our mistake. Today was a good day.
The family drives home together. It was a day full of lessons and love.
Take only what you need and always finish with love. Thank you for watching our story. Subscribe for more family stories
Every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday.